Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Computer Crunch Time. Today, we'll see how to solve MySQL errors in the XAMPP control panel. Let's go to the XAMPP control panel and see. Apache is starting fine, but MySQL is automatically shutting down after starting. To solve this error, you just need to type the window +R command. A window will appear, click on it and search for services.msc and hit enter. You'll see another window open with many files. Scroll down until you see the M series. Click on a file named MySQL80. You'll see it's in the running state, so you need to stop it. It'll take some time to complete. After it's done, close the file. Then go back to the control panel. Now start MySQL again, and it should start smoothly. If you encounter such trouble in the future, repeat this process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Computer Crunch Time for more tips and computer-related information.